How to speed ramp in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get into it. To begin with, switch to the Edit panel and then right-click your clip and select Retime Controls. You'll notice these blue arrows appear at the top of your clip. Next, move your playhead to where you want the speed ramp to begin. Click on where it says 100% and select Add Speed Point. Move the playhead to where you want the speed ramp to end. Click on the 100% and then click Add Speed Point again. We can either click into the 100% in the middle and change the speed like so. Alternatively, you can drag the handle like so and it will give you the same effect. Now if we play this back, we have successfully slowed down the clip at this point of this video. However, we need to add a ramp to it to make it look more smooth. So with your clip selected, head up to keyframes at the top of your window and you will see this list like so. If you see yours like this, just click into the list icon like so, and you'll see the parameters for all the different things that we can access. If the curve is white, it means it's enabled. If it's grey, it means it's disabled. So we want the retime speed curve to be white so that we can configure it. With that done, come up to the curves, and then all we need to do is select the two keyframes that we've just created like so. Then come up to the curve editor and then select ease in, ease out. You'll notice that your curve appears to be a lot smoother. However, you can make this even more smoother by clicking and dragging on the toggles either side of your keyframes. So as we can see there, by clicking and dragging, we've made that curve slightly smoother. Now if we play this back, we can see that we have that smooth speed ramp that we wanted to create, and that's all there is to it.